what's up you guys, I'm Blake Taylor, and today I'm going to be showing you my 5.0 Mustang doing a cold start. It is a true cold start because I haven't started it in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And it also is supercharged, so you're going to get to hear that nice whistle. It is a Vortec V1. I'll get into that later into another video, so if you do want to check that out, check out my other videos. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys my cold start and my 1989 5.0 Mustang 302. Here we go.
Open sesame. I wish.
Yeah. I love it, man. Okay, so I don't know if you guys heard that big old pop. That was pretty cool. I was not expecting that. I guess just from sitting a little bit. But I don't have no kit like that or nothing installed, so that was dope. And now you guys can check out some cool B-roll footage. It's gonna be great. And just like that, guys, you've seen my cold start on my 5.0 Mustang. I love the cold start every single time. I thought it was going to be a little bit louder, but I do hope you like the revs that I did. If you want to see me do something else different in the future, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a new video. I'm going to take this baby out for a little spin real quick, start her up, because I do want to drive her, so. Yeah, I love it every single time.